And yeah, get this, Michael. It is also Mr. Schoenweather's birthday today. He's turning 92 years old and lives in, as we just mentioned, Richards, Missouri. So happy birthday, Mr. Schoenweather, and thank you for your service.
Okay, so let me do the mental math here. 29, he would have been 40 years old when Apollo landed on the moon.
Really?
Isn't that something else?
Yeah?
Happy birthday,
Very cool.
Mr. Schoenweather. That is great. I love it when we can combine the heroes and the birthdays right there. Ethan Jesse. Man, how are you 4 already, big boy? A very happy birthday to Ethan as he celebrates in Crestline.
And a very happy birthday to Landry Morey, turning 5 years old in Lamar.
Now get
really
this.
Exciting day there.
Well, it even gets more exciting.
Oh yeah.
Because tomorrow we've got Kyle Morey's birthday right there in the middle. So Landry has his birthday. Landry has her birthday today, and then right after that, Dad celebrates his 35th. So Landry and Kyle, a very happy birthday to both of you.
And a very happy birthday to Lainey Miller.
Oh, I love the balloons.
16, sweet 16 in Girard. Well, actually, she's been 16 for a few days now. It's
all
her
right.
birthday. It was on Sunday.
No, you turn 16, we'll carry the week.
You get the whole week.
That's right.
Just keep on submitting it, and we'll keep on reading it every day this week.
In the words of a wise
16 is
woman,
great.
birthday week. John Emerson celebrating a 22nd birthday. John, a very happy birthday to you. John's in Fort Scott.
And a very happy birthday to Jimmy Zwallen, turning 37 in Oswego.
And Noel, Tabitha Pickle, she's celebrating her 42nd birthday. Tabitha, have a wonderful, wonderful birthday.
And a very happy birthday to Alan Grimmett, turning 52 in Parsons. And thank you very much for what you do, since he works as a paramedic at Labette Health.
Deanna Offmiller celebrating her 70th birthday. Deanna, she is in Pittsburgh. Great picture right there.
Yeah. And a very happy birthday to Daryl Morrison, turning 80 years old in Lamar.
If I looked at Mr. Morrison right there, not 80. He doesn't look 80.
He does. He looks really good for 80. So
Happy birthday, Daryl.
happy birthday.
Diana Blackburn, you can see her on the left right there. Diana, a happy birthday to you. She is in Oswego.
And a very happy birthday to Barbara Beard, turning 67 today in Columbus.
Roger Williams, he celebrated a birthday over the weekend, but like we said, just with Lainey's birthday, we're going to go birthday week with Roger.
Oh yeah.
And we'll carry it all the way through. Roger, happy birthday.
And a very happy birthday to Zoe Carrier in Baxter Springs.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Zach Dodge with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses as well. So go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.